Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is AJ. I'm a fashion designer based in Edo State, Nigeria. Here on my channel, I film about fashion designing. I tell you all you need to know about fashion designing and the fashion business. So today I have another interesting video for you, and this video is how to ease the stress of relaxing your hair as a fashion designer. I know this period is so stressful for us as fashion designers. We have so many work to do, and this video is to show you how you can ease this time. There's a popular rumor that fashion designers don't make their hair this Christmas season until after the new year. Well, it's not our fault. We get so busy trying to make our customers clothes that we even forget ourselves. You get trying to meet up with the demand for this Christmas season. So, me as a fashion designer, I want to share with you what has always worked for me. What has always worked for me, especially in the Christmas season. How to relax your hair from the comfort of your home. I know you feel it's stressful going to the salon, but I want to show you how you can relax your hair from the comfort of your home and you spend lesser time. So follow me through this journey. So for this process, you'll be needing your hair cream, your hair relaxer, your big comb, and your pick comb or tail comb. As the video goes on, I'll be telling you the reason why you need hair cream for this process. The first thing I'm doing here is I'm losing the flat twist I had on after losing my braids. So then I went ahead to comb my hair gently so that I won't shed a lot of hair, because during the hair relaxing process I'm still going to shed some hair, so I don't want to lose so much. So then I also went ahead to applying hair cream to the front part of my hair and the back part. So I remember asking a hairdresser the reason why they do apply hair cream before relaxing the hair, and she told me that it was to reduce the effect of hair relaxer on the baby hair, that's the front hair. So I also went ahead to section my hair. I actually did it into four, and later I changed my mind and turned it into three. So after sectioning, I just went ahead to braid each section. So this process can actually be tiring, but just make sure you eat before you start. So I went on to apply the hair relaxer. So you're already using your relaxer and your tail comb. So you can also use nylon if if relaxer has effect on your skin. But if it doesn't, you can use your hand. So for me, relaxer hardly have effect on my skin, so I prefer using my hand. I've actually tried it so many times and I realized that relaxer doesn't do anything to my skin. So I use my hand to make it easier and faster. So you just have to divide each section into smaller sizes, then apply your relaxer and massage very well. Relaxer also plays the role of straightening your hair, so you want to make sure that you actually assist this process by massaging the relaxer onto your hair very well. After that, make sure you also manage the hair relaxer at this point, because you still have a lot of relaxer to use after touching each section. So just make sure you manage it, but you still put a generous amount onto it. So you go to the next section and repeat the same process for the front part. Don't forget, massage very carefully. It's very important, but it's going to help this process. You're going to help your hair relax faster. And also, I don't think you're to massage onto your scalp. So endeavor not to put relaxer on your scalp directly, but rather on the hair, the roots, and also not directly on the tip. Once you've relaxed your hair before, it will not be wise to start putting your relaxer from the tip. It's going to make that place too light and you're not going to like the end results. So start from the root up. Do you get root up? Because after this process, you are still going to comb the hair, and in that process, the relaxer is still going to touch the tip of your hair. So you have to endeavor that this first process, you make sure that it really touches the roots, because that's where it gets dew very fast. So after massaging each section, you just have to, you can either braid it or just roll it. But I don't really advise the use of rubber bands, because in the process of trying to remove the rubber bands, some of your hair may actually rip off. So after doing that, you just go ahead to comb each section. Use your big comb first so that you won't shed so much hair. I'm actually very particular about my hair, sorry. So let's start with big comb, then you divide them into smaller sections. For the next section, you just basically repeat the same process. First start with your big comb, then after that you start dividing your hair into smaller sections with the tail comb and apply more relaxer. You know, I told you at the beginning that you should manage it for this first process because you still have a lot of relaxer to use as the process goes on. It's not just going to be one application, it's going to be like series of application. You continue the hair relaxer application process. Once you've combed a section with the big comb, you continue with your pick comb, and as you divide one part, you add relaxer. You divide another part, you add relaxer, and you comb it out. So it's going to make it relax more. And if you notice any spillage on your front hair, you can just wipe it off so that it won't start having effect quick. So when you are done, you comb everything together with your tail comb again. So onto the last part, just repeat the same process. Going with your big comb, then also going with your pick comb. Then just add relax after subsectioning. Then you comb you comb them together. Also note your baby hairs. Make sure you apply relaxer to it because relaxing if the middle part is relaxed and the baby hairs are not relaxed, it's like you didn't do anything. So make sure your baby hairs are also relaxed. Then also note the back of your ears. That's another part you should note. You can see me, I'm adding to the back of my ears. So note that part too. Then you go around, touch all of them again. Then now to the final part, you just start combing them one by one together. You see, I said you need relaxer for each process. So make sure you manage it. For mine, I use like I think the smallest size of Elan relaxer. That's what I use for my hair, and it's going well. Basically what you are doing here is just combing each section again, like you are retouching them. Then any part that you see that needs more relaxer, apply relaxer to those parts. As I told you at the beginning that you actually need relaxer for all the process. That's why you need to manage it at the first stage. So just comb them together. That's what you're doing here basically. Comb them together. Add more relaxer to the baby hairs. Don't ignore that part. They're very important. To the back also, there are some baby hairs at the back, sorry. Also add them. See, my relaxer is almost getting exhausted. I used it generously. Continue touching it. This process is very important. Make sure everywhere is fully coated with your hair relaxer. You can see here that the tip is also affected. So pack them into a bun, keep touching, retouching, and that's it, guys. You've relaxed your hair already. You've applied the relaxer, you've applied the relaxer to your hair. It's something you can do at the comfort of your home, or if you have a place at your work area that you can do this, it's fine. It's going to help you this Christmas period to save stress, to save time of going to the salon when you have work to do. You can just do this for yourself in like 30 minutes. If you're very fast, 20 minutes and you are done. Okay, guys, so my hair is ready to be washed now. I left it for about 20 minutes. During that time, you can use it to continue. You can use that time to continue your work, or you can do one or two things. So don't just sit down there waiting for your hair to get relaxed. That's the advantage of doing it yourself and doing it at home. If you work from home or doing it, you get your work area. So during that time, you can use it to continue your work, and you know what you can achieve in 20 minutes as a fashion designer. So this is something that's not going to take your time. This process is not going to take your time if you know what you're doing. So that's why this video is here, to put you through on how easy it can be and how time saving it can be for you as a fashion designer. So for the washing process, I'll be using my shampoo and I'll also be using my conditioner. I know some of you know this product already. I'm not yet to advertise for them, so I'll just be using my shampoo, my conditioner, and I'll be using this hair oil. It's actually very small, so I'll be mixing it with my hair cream. So I'll just be mixing them. I think the use the I think the reason for it is just to moisturize the hair, make it oily, fine, shine, ensure that the scalp remains oily. That's it basically. I don't know the hair terms with hair bloggers or don't come for me in this video. So I'm going to see you right after I wash my hair. For now, stay put. Okay guys, so my hair is washed now and dried, though not perfectly dry, just a little bit. So I want to go to the aspect where I'll be oiling and applying my hair cream. So the first thing I want to do here is just drizzle some oil. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just oil it. That's just the main thing you're doing there. If you have time, you can go through your hair lines by lines or what. I don't think I have that time for that. This is just what you are doing basically. Just make sure the oil goes round. Now you can comb. You see the comb is entering freely. That's to tell you that my hair is perfectly relaxed. So you can do this from the comfort of your home as a fashion designer. You don't have time because of your workload, especially this Christmas season. I know it's not going to be easy for so many people to make their hair or to wash their hair or stuff or to just basically go to the salon. That's what I'm trying to say. It's too busy for so many people, so many fashion designers to go to the salon. So you can always do this from the comfort of your home, or you have a space at your workplace that you can do this and it won't disturb anybody. You can actually do this. You get so save that 20 minutes of your time to do this. It should really help you a lot. So this is my hair. Now I'll just go last with the hair cream. I actually love the fragrance of this cream. So just go down with it again. Then that's it basically. That's it. If you have only your hair cream, you can use only your hair cream. If you have only your oil, you can use your oil. The reason why I'm using both is because normally I prefer using my oil, but it's remaining small. So you can just do it with your hair. As far as you're not as far you're not doing so much that will probably rip your hair or cut your hair. So you can just do you. So now I'm good to go. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Those of you are just everywhere, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope with this video you can actually relax and wash your hair from the comfort of your home, especially this period, and save time and stress of going to the salon. Okay, so till next time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to press the like button, and also don't forget to share to your friends and other fashion designers that you know this will be helpful to. So Merry Christmas in advance guys. Bye till next time.